In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and rename legend in Microsoft Excel chart. When working with charts in Excel, the legend plays an important role because it helps identify the data series displayed in the chart. Sometimes the default legend names are not very clear, especially when they are based on column headers or automatically generated labels. Editing and renaming the legend allows you to present your data more clearly and make your chart easier for others to understand. To begin, open the Excel workbook that contains the chart you want to modify. Click directly on the chart to activate the chart tools. Once the chart is selected, locate the data series associated with the legend entry you want to change. In most cases, the legend name is based on the header of the data column used in the chart. To change the legend name, click on the chart and then right-click on the chart area. From the menu that appears, click Select Data. This will open the Select Data Source window where you can manage the chart's data series. Inside this window, look for the section labeled Legend Entries, also known as Series. Select the series name that corresponds to the legend entry you want to edit, and then click Edit. A new dialog box will appear where you can modify the series name. You can either type a new name directly into the field or select a different cell in your worksheet that contains the name you want to use. After entering the new name, click OK to confirm the change. Then click OK again to close the Select Data Source window. Once you return to the worksheet, you will notice that the legend in your chart has been updated with the new name. This change immediately improves the clarity of your chart, especially when presenting data to others or preparing reports. Renaming legend entries is a useful way to make your charts more descriptive and professional. Clear legend labels help viewers quickly understand what each data series represents without confusion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.